Welcome back once again. This is ShottaFlowtv around here with the latest topics. You understand? So, we just want to talk about some stuff that is taking place in the world at this moment, and just in general. You understand? Yes, my people, blessed and big up at all the times. Here what me I say, no man. A whole heap of things are going on at this moment. And that me I try make you know. People fed up of so many things that is taking place into this world at this moment. You understand? From all the years coming down from, 2000, 2003, 4, 5, 2006, 7, all the way up right now to 2024. There's a lot of stuff that is taking place, and we really have to wonder what's going on in the world if things won't get better. But one thing me can say, the real good old days back in the 70s, 80s, early 90s and up, I think this world more start chaotic in the 2000s, where technology come in and, start to take out human space, as I should say, less time with family members and, everybody you see them head hang down in a them phone, or, everybody head stuck in a the TV, or on the internet, you name it. It's happening all over the whole world, One time back people usually love to go and visit their family and be around their family. And when someone tell you that, I love you, it's genuinely from their heart. People usually travel, them time back in the older days, you never have no whole heap of vehicle, but we still know how to get around. And people usually leave from one place and walk, or whether ride donkey, or whatever, or them have them little vehicle or whatever, go look for your family member, because those times you didn't have no phone and technology and those type of stuff, so things were more, genuine, and when people usually go and meet their family members, or friends, it's a genuine greeting and welcome and love and peace and joyness. You understand what I say? Nowadays, those things cut out. You can take up your phone and you call somebody the other end of the world, and you can say, okay, all right, I love you, bye. That's not genuine. It don't come with no substance. The only substance me seeing of that is technology substance, by saying it and the person hear it. And the person so equipped and so intelligent that it know in itself, even though it's a word for say, yeah, me know you love me, but where is the feeling? Where's the emotion in it and all of these things? You understand? There is none. Nowadays, now you can't even sit down and have a decent dinner with your family. Because I remember back in my days, I usually every Sunday, even though in the week, everybody can go sit at their own spot and eat them dinner and stuff, but on Sundays, all family members gather around the table. We sit down. No one touch nothing on the table. You have to sit and be quiet till the elder family come and sit down, and we hold hands together and do a prayer. And everyone eat and drink as a family together. It's so rejoicing. That's magnificent. Nowadays, everybody sit down around the table and nobody not exist around the table. It's like the table and food that move and go up in someone's mouth, and that's it. There is no harmony. You understand? This is how powerful technology is, and how life is, and how things and generation change. We expect it to change for the better, but I don't like the way how I see it steering. You understand? I have to be careful of stuff what I say, because everything is take down and take out and censorship and all of these things. So I have to more speaking in parable. And I know all of you all is intelligent. You understand? So I don't have to say no more. But these things, what's going on, it's not right. And it's gonna cause even more problem moving in the future if we don't figure out something about it. And even the planet, so much destruction that we're causing on this same planet that is taking care of us, air pollution, you name it, from climate change, and plus society overall. Everything is chaotic. You understand? People don't know what's real anymore. You understand? You have the genuine ones them out there that knows the truth, and them hold them truth, and them just live. You understand? But what about the ones them that don't know nothing? Everything that's said, whether on social media, the internet, or anywhere, these younger generation take it and believe it and carry it on. And then a lot of us want to go around and point fingers, but we can't point no fingers because we, the elder one, have to put in the work to set the younger generation. But 5% of the planet can't do it, and 95% do the opposite. That's where the problem comes in. Because everyone's supposed to work together and make this is possible, including myself. Because we are all here together as one. And some people don't understand when you tell them, say, we are one. Them not really get it because them have said, no, me individually and you individually. But pick sense out of nonsense. If you ever take yourself off this planet and say you go up in space, way up in space, and you look down upon the planet, you don't see the individual separate. There's nothing separate. It's all connected as one. You understand what I say? So, there is so much teachings too that we need to teach the youth them, and we're not teaching the youth them because the youth them don't know. And even big people same way worse than the little people them same way them worse. Them don't know. It's the way how them brought up. They understand what I say, and these things is just not right, But what we going to do about it? You understand what I say? We just have to just live and give thanks and praise and try to have a peaceful life, and hope things can get better, and leave it in God's hands at the end of the day, because guess what, man? Who is we, mankind? Because we can't do nothing. We don't even know how the breath blow in our body. We only say we want food and we're hungry, and next thing you know, we want food and hungry, but we hand take up food and put in our mouth. But how does that work? We don't even know ourselves. But we act like say we're powerful than more than this planet. But as it goes, a yin and yang, and each and every man for their own, and each and every one must know the level of consciousness them a program, because if you are program low level vibration, then that's gonna affect you. And if you perform high level vibration, then that's gonna make you better. You know what I mean? And feed your body with the right structure of food and stuff like that. You don't have to go all the way out for cause damage to yourself, because you don't want to do that either. You can take your time and do changes little by little. You understand, till you overcome. But yeah, back to the point, the world, it's chaotic, and I don't like how I see certain things going, and I looking for say, boy, yes, it's gonna get better. But it seems like it's getting worse and worse and worse. You understand what I'm saying? That I miss the good old days. I miss when I usually go up in the hills, go cook a pot and chill out. Not say me can't do it again, but the environment change. Everything change. Even if you usually have a favorite spot where you usually go to on a regular base, that spot change. Because energy and frequency change all over the whole of the planet. You understand? People are run down and one thing me notice even on social media and certain things. People love the drama. People love the chaotic vibes. The cruelty. And that a draw attention. No man, we can't live so. And then we expect say when we go a road, we behaving like a hooligan, and when we go a road we expect say, you know, somebody are gonna deal with we good, and then we flare up and deal with them like a hooligan, them deal with we like a hooligan. It's all about a reflection of our own self, a bounce back from each other. So is them, so is us. You understand? You know, we all have to learn our lesson here, man. And stop put we whole away. We faith in a man, and a God will fit trust. Cause if you live in a God, trust me, you will not worry. Enough of we would not worry about enough things, cause God got we back at all the times. Let me tell you something, you know how many times me day in my zone and me I wonder how me I gonna make it out in you know, for pay my bills, how me I gonna do this, how me I gonna make 2 ends meet. But me nah lie. Every time God find a way. I tell you, say me see miracle happen to me over and over and over and over. And I grow my trust in God. I grow my trust in a Father God, because you know what happened? Me no need somebody to tell me that no more. Because him show me over and over and over and over that me learn my lesson to have faith and trust in him. You understand? The Creator. I saw the thing go. You understand what I say? And by trusting in God, your mentality, your mind, your focus change. You become more positive, more peaceful, more joyful, and more respect and love for everything that God created. That me I try make you know. That's a big difference. You understand what me I say? So it's a good look when you know say you turn to the right path and know say you go to Father God under there, so you put your trust. You understand what me I say? We get up ourselves and put trust and faith in the idle things. We come here naked and we live in this planet naked. The only thing I know say we go and take from this planet carry back. We do take something, but nothing we don't know our. The lessons that we learned here is what we're going to have in our memory box. And that don't leave us. You understand? So we do carry something valuable. So here we go on, if you want to carry something valuable when you leave from this planet, full up the consciousness and the memory box of good things, good thoughts, good favors. You understand? And give thanks. You understand what me I say? Me people, you don't know, say me have to just lick on some things, you know, because plenty people no know said we. You understand? And we can't point finger and expect say it gonna be better, because we see some of we see man we are point finger no better than the one who we are point with finger. Because if we corrupt inside, what's the difference between we and them? So we have to just make sure say we try to just get rid of certain contamination and make sure say we good. So we can help this planet. Because each person change on this planet towards greatness. Then the whole planet now figure become great, because if the whole 100% of we move into that direction, then you know see the success and the positiveness and the greatness. That's heaven on earth. You understand what I say? But then again, enough of the things them want go on, we have to blame the bigger heads them. Because of them set society certain ways. Why certain people have to be the way how they are too. Some of us realize and did not make, we never fall for that catch. But what happened to the one them who can't see? They are the one that get caught up and get catch. That's where the problem comes in. You see what me I say? And right there, so this is very big. It huge. It big. You know what I mean? That's something I don't know how that going fix. As when me say the only way how I see this can fix is one and each one change in the collective. You understand? But if we say we are get up for look pan a whole group right now with all our we behavior and what we going on with and look for change, it will never happen. Because change start with each person within themselves. Then they can move to another level. Give thanks, Father God. You know what I mean? You understand what I say? Your heart, man, heart have to be clean and loving and nice, yeah, man. What sweet so? What sweet so when you're in a some high vibration? In some Rastaman vibration. And when me say Rastaman under the hair where you wear by your head. Rastaman are where you having in your heart. And about your head, where you have hair on your head or what. Whether you're bald head, red head, pink head, black head, blue head, you name it. As long as your heart, as long as you have a Rastaman heart, that's where Rasta there. In your heart, love, joy, honor, and peace, gratitude, togetherness, oneness, holiness, godness, cleansiness. Yo, don't let me have to pour out the list. You see what me I say? Don't make me have to pour out the list. But that's how things go, you know. You understand? Just like how me come and me attack certain things and me I say certain things, you know. Me, I feel work by myself in every way because me want myself, me want to see the best version of myself and me I make sure say I work by myself. What great so when you see the best version of yourself? Nothing. And that me I try to make you know. Nothing. You understand what me I say? And they make you appreciate life more. You understand? You see what me I say? Enough things me that want to say and enough things me that want to show, but me can't. Because you know how the system set up. You understand? And you have to be careful what you say. Me people, blessed to everyone who don't know so they understand what me I say. Respect. I do not allow comments on this channel, me people. I do not allow comments on this channel because a lot of people no have nothing good to say. You have the good ones them will have good things to say. But you have the other one them will not have nothing good to say. Me, my channel, no deal with negativity. Positiveness. So here we are going. This channel don't allow comments. It make everyone who listen to this video can listen and then pick out where them want pick out a hit, resonate with where they want resonate. And if them not resonate with it, then that's fine. You know, they move on to another video. That's how the thing go. Cause right now, me I help cut out negative out of my thing right now. And when me say negative, you know, I want to understand, you know, my people. Negativity me I talk about corrupted, bad mind and evil doers and these type of level. And that negativity that me I talk. Because people understand so you have different level of negative and positive. And we need these type of things to survive. We can't just survive off a positive in the sense of what me I try to say. You have electricity where you have negative and you have positive. You need both to combine together to make it work. You understand what me I say? I can make something even more clearer so I have a better understanding. Energy. You have masculine, which is positive, feminine, which is negative. I hope I get it right. But one is positive and one is negative. When you blend them together, then that's creation. It's a spark. You understand? But we are talking about the negative of, would I say good and bad, because right now in my reality, me not look on things like good and bad no more. Them things they are all days of thinking. You understand? And the reason why I say this is because why I don't say good and bad now is because when you reach a level of reasoning and you're looking into something, you say it's that person's choice. That choice is, is not appropriate choice. But every choice come with a consequence. You understand? Some of us call it karma. You understand what I say? Some of us call it whatever. But whatever you do and whatever you do, there's a consequence behind it. You understand? So if someone do something, and then do something and then get in a serious big problem, well, that's the choice that they make because they know what could have happened before they did it. So they decide to do that and they know the consequence behind it. So they have to pay for the penalty of that. I saw me look at things nowadays. Me no know you wrong, you right, you good, you bad. Life is a balance. We just know so we can do without evil and wickedness. That's the only negativity we can really live without. We don't need it. You understand what I say? Everything for happen in the universe natural. You get what I say? Everything's supposed to be natural. But it's not. You understand what I say? That's why a lot of stuff is unbalanced and chaotic and everything what is going on in this world at this moment. You understand what I say? I saw the thing go, my people. This is what I say. A whole heap of things, and me just know, say, boy, me have to just hold the vibes and just keep my vibration and level of energy high and positive and show people love and respect. Even the baby we're born, me show that pitney respect because it's not about age. You could have been 95 or maybe a 200-year-old, it don't matter. Me still show the baby respect because it's a soul in that body. That no means that soul in the body 2-year-old. He probably older than you in the spiritual world. It's what I say. So it's all about respect. You have to show respect and love. You understand what I say? And enough of the things what I say now what go on the planet is not right and things, And it's not a one person can change it. And so it work. Because if you find a good ruler, you put that good ruler at the top. You say, yes, that good ruler will govern the whole planet and make things good. You're lying. Because each and every person have to make sure that they're good within themselves to make it work. You get what I say? And that's how the problem come in. Stop listening to the people, them man, and take manipulated things and run with it. And sometimes, man, try to discern. You know what I mean? Look through certain things. And say, say, really and truly, man, not easy. You understand what I say? But you just don't know, say, life is a journey. And it's a lesson to be learned. You understand? You don't know, say, no, yes, we come from because we came here. You understand? We break down to levels born here and then we leave when we dead out of here. Life no end for we. There's no end in a life. You never hear say energy, you never hear say energy cannot be destroyed. It only can transfer or transform. Whichever way. You understand what I say? So, and even the body, when you're dead out the body still nourish, go back to the earth, become one back with the... Everything is all connected. Nothing don't waste. Nothing don't waste. So we are all one in this. You understand? But you don't know, say, boy, we're looking for better days. Trust me. Because you look pretty for the new generation. As right now, if technology break down, I say if we go back in the good old days, enough of the young generation can survive. Them don't even know how to plant a grain of corn or peas. Remember me tell you that. They don't know how to go live and to survive like real Asian people do. The elderly people them. You understand? From my grandfather, and them people back in the days. Sorry about that. Yeah. So I saw the thing go. You understand what I say? And what we are gonna do? We can't fight and quarrel and argue with nobody when it comes to this. Yeah. Can't quarrel and argue and fight nobody when it comes to this, cause I saw the thing go. We just have to just hold it down and know say I saw life go. You understand me, people? Life is a journey, yeah, man. And we have to just make sure say we endure it properly. You understand what I say? And we just hope and just keep praying for each and every one on the planet, cause I saw the thing go. It's not easy at all. You understand what I say? Me people, you don't know, so me just come about for us, really talk and share my, experience and express myself in several different ways, for us. Show everyone, whatever my thought, and just wishing everything could be so much better. But you don't know, say I saw the thing go, my people. You know, say a peace and love, me say, love from the bottom of my heart. You understand? And just, I'm just, for everybody, I love me say. I love me say at all the times and looking forward for better times, for the whole generation and the whole planet, me people. You see what I say? I saw the thing go. Just go and big up on yourself, because you don't know, so the ShottaFlowtv round here with the reviews and the topics and the fun and everything in a one, I go on in a one. You don't know also we create some little fun shorts videos so we can have some fun and little laugh time and stuff like that, Nothing serious. You understand? So, my people, one love, one heart, holiness, oneness, godliness, forever. Blessed, peace, and love always.